this is a problem. Everyone keeps asking me on Instagram, on comments sometimes, can I do more videos? They're even find me on Facebook commenting, can you do more videos? I don't know what to do. One idea and I don't think I've made a good video anyway. I just want to put my GoPro on the rear bumper and film some flames. But other than that, not of ideas. So if you'd want to comment some plans for a future video, just let me know. I haven't done a video in a long time, but today I'm going to do PCB build. It's raining outside, so I just need to quickly spin the car around. Anyway, now that's stood back up, yeah, I just need to spin the car around, put it in the garage, well, put the front end in the garage, wait for my mate to turn up with some sockets, because my sockets aren't deep enough, and this is going to fall again I think. Then we'll make a start on the PCB build. So I've done the swap now, this is the old one. Sort of still works, but it's not that nice. Old and crusty. Put the new one in, make sure you have a 17mm deep socket. First of all you take this, well I've got a Jubilee on, but most people have clips, pull it off. Then straight on over that, twist it out. The place there is a washer there, you can see, can't really point, there's a washer there, make sure to keep that from the original one and put it on. I'm sorry and yeah, right. I'm sorry I never filmed doing it, but it was a nightmare to do because I didn't have a socket. I was literally in with spanners. A job that should have been 5 minutes took me about 25 minutes. Honestly, it was shit. I'm going to drive to a different location now and I will show you. I'm going to drive to a location now where I've got some room to move about the car, and I'll show you my new graphics that I've recently got put on. Like every day I go to work I get stuck at these, morning, night, no matter what time it is, and I'll be stuck here for absolutely ages.